Have you ever used the term hot mess, meaning like I'm a hot mess? I know I've said it, but I often don't feel hot when I say it. I feel just like a mess. But never fear, because Laurie Palau has written the book on how do you fix it. Her book, by the same title, Hot Mess, the subtitle is a practical guide to getting organized. Now, Laurie is one of my favorite organizers. She's the owner of Simply Be Organized. She has a fresh, current approach to how do you truly get things organized so you feel like you're more in control. Now, you and I both know that when things are disorganized around you, it takes your attention and focus off the things that are most important. But Laurie helps us fix that. Now, it's a great book, A Hot Mess, a practical guide to getting organized. It doesn't just talk about how to clean things out and change the way things look. It talks about why we collect clutter and some of that stuff as well. So, check it out. Hot Mess, a practical guide to getting organized. Laurie, you've done a great job. I loved it. And as you can see, I dogged many of the pages. It's a must read. Now, if we aren't connected on social media, you can easily do that. My Twitter handle is @NeenJames. If you prefer Facebook, you can come and find us, or even Instagram. You can follow along with my adventures. Check out Laurie's book, Hot Mess. You'll be so glad you did.